Hello, welcome to us tour. My name is Ginette Solano Ayona. Preparing mi travel guía. You love to travel and you want a different trip? I am invite you to Vélez city, Cueva de los Indios. This place is located in Vélez, Santander. You can know its beautiful lagoons and waterfalls. Weekend is the safety we do got around the place. Spanish spoken and English is practice. I advise you to renew this guide a parallel waterfall and flashlights so as not to get lost naked. When to go, where to stay? You can go vacation is the summer season and stay in New House Hotel or camp, if you prefer. The typical food is the baleño piquete accompanied by delicious drinks and the base of Cueva candy. The currency used is the peso colombiano. Notice recovery. Cueva. I hope you enjoy this new experience. Thank you.